Hey guys! In today's video, we are doing this 3-step wash and go. This is an old wash and go. I've been doing the 3-step method for almost 2-3 months now, and I am loving it. So the first I like to go in with is a detangling shampoo. I'm going in with 4C Only's Too Clean shampoo. This shampoo is moisturizing and it helps detangle my natural hair. When I'm first shampooing, I like to detangle my hair with this shampoo. So I am slowly working up my hair shaft. This shampoo, it doesn't feel too rough on my hair, so I'm comfortable detangling with the shampoo. Like I said, it's very moisturizing and I feel it's also hydrating as well. So during this process, that's when I'm detangling. When I go in with my clarifying shampoo, I tend to focus mostly on the roots instead of the length of my hair because it can cause tangles as well. So I don't really want to like put too much stress on my hair with the clarifying shampoo. This one is very stripping, and one time I kind of just went in and was just roughly like shampooing my hair with the clarifying shampoo that I will show you soon, and my hair was left very tangled. So you just have to be really careful with that one. In this video you'll see what I do when I'm using that shampoo. I'll show you when it comes up. I'll talk more about it when it comes up. If you notice the hair in the back, I do not want to clog my drain. I have clogged my drain a few times, so I try to collect as much hair as I can. I just stick it onto the wall and I clean it up later. Here's my hair after the first shampoo. It has so much definition and my hair looks great. So here I'm going in with the Frieda's Brilliant Brunette shampoo. This shampoo claims to be moisturizing, but I use this as a clarifier because it feels very stripping and it gets my hair clean and it keeps the hair color that I still have left in my hair vibrant. So yes, I love this shampoo. It works really well. When using this shampoo, I always braid my hair or I twist my hair and I kind of just slowly work it around my roots and my scalp. I try to like smooth it down to keep my hair from tangling, because baby, if you just try to just rake your fingers through that, you are going to be left with some tangles. I'm telling you, it's not fun. It's not fun. Maybe this isn't the best shampoo to use, and it's obviously for people that have like brown dyed hair. So yeah, I'm pretty sure there's other clarifiers that are really good out there. I just haven't found one yet, and to be honest, I haven't finished this one yet, so I haven't felt the need to buy more unnecessary products. So until this one is done, I will eventually go out and start looking for a new clarifying shampoo. Or actually, I don't know, maybe, now that I'm thinking of it, maybe I will go out and try some different clarifiers for you guys. I don't know, comment down below if you guys want to see that in the video. If you guys want to see that, then yeah, I will definitely go out and find some clarifying shampoos for y'all. So guys, I don't know if this is cheating, but I'm using my Jamaican black castor oil deep treatment mask. I know this is a no oils, no butters challenge, but baby, this is the only deep conditioner I have in my house, and I cannot go without some conditioner or deep conditioner in my hair. And I just put it in my hair. I didn't feel the need to show y'all. And if you guys seen my Curly Magic review, I know what you guys are saying. Tayah, why are you using this product after you just said you wasn't gonna buy this product again? Well guys, I can't find any product that works just like this. Like, I can't for the life of me. I tried Josie's curls, my hair was left crunchy. I tried Shea Moisture's Stronghold gel, and that didn't hold crap. I tried Weedad's Stronghold gel. It had a decent hold, but it didn't last a full week in my hair. So yeah, I'm back to using Uncle Funky's Daughter's Curly Magic, because this, it feels really good on the hair. Like, I understand that it's sticky, but I watched a video, and you really have to use a lot of water when working with products like this, because yes, it can be sticky, but you just have to just add I think it was like, what did she say, like 70% water and then like 20% product. So really work that water into your hair when you're working with this product, and you won't get much of that stickiness on your hands. Because my hair now, like, it feels, I could feel no, I don't feel any stickiness when I touch my hair. It feels soft and it feels moisturized, and the curl is it holds the curl, and it lasts like the entire week. And that's why I love this product so much. I know what I said, but I feel like when I was using it before, I was just using too much of the product and not enough water, was the reason why I was having the experience that I was having. So yes guys, I'm back to using Curly Magic. I bought 2 bottles. I am not playing no games. I don't want to try any more styling gels. I'm just sticking with this styling gel, okay? I'm done looking. I'm done. I can't find anything better. Yeah, my pockets are hurting, so we're just gonna stick with the Curly Magic. But yeah, I'm still looking for deep conditioners and shampoos. So yeah, maybe I'll do more of those videos, okay? So stay tuned for that. If you guys can hear a shower in the background, my husband is in the shower, so excuse that. But if you guys haven't noticed, I'm not using a brush or a comb during this part of the video. When I did deep condition, I did use my shower comb. I didn't show that part because I was kind of like done being in the shower, and I just wanted to hurry up and finish conditioning because it can sometimes take a while, and I just didn't feel like, you know, recording that, and I apologize for that. I should have showed that part. But anyways, I'm raking my fingers through my hair to get the most definition, and I like to pull on it so that I get the most length out of my wash and goes, even though my hair still shrivels up to nothing. As you can see here, you want to make sure you're lathering up the product well enough so that it saturates your entire hair. So you want to lather it up like it's shampoo so that it can get through your strands. You want to work that product in. And that's what I wasn't really doing before. Like, I was lathering it up, but not enough for the product to travel down through my hair strands, because sometimes it will get left at the root of my hair and then it will just have that tacky, sticky feel. That's because I wasn't lathering the product up properly. So you want to make sure that you're lathering it up properly and then applying it to your strands. And you want to work from roots to ends to roots, however you want to do it, but just make sure that you're working that product in really, really good, defining those curls, because you will get the best results. I promise you, if you do it this way, you will probably only need this one product. But if you want more holds, then I suggest get a topper gel. But I feel like that's just kind of overdoing it for me. I don't need that much gel in my hair. I just love how defined my hair looks. It just, oh, the curls are just popping. And this is the final results. After this, I'm going to sit under the hooded dryer and then stretch my roots. I already have a video up of that routine, so go check it out. And I'm just going to conclude the video right here. Next week's video will be a week in my wash day routine, so you guys will see the dry results then. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. I'll be down below in the description box. And have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye.